All right, what I'm trying to do is get the bolt that holds the bottom one, which is basically right there, right? Those are the threads. The head of it, I don't know if this is going to fit on here or not, but basically, sorry for the rotation. I just want to show you what I'm up against here. So, shit. All right. So, there's the axle, and the head of the bolt is right there. Right there. So that's what I got to get on, and that's what I'm aiming at. So, I'll set you guys back over here, see if I'm able to work this thing loose. Like love back when I had a phone call about movers from my mother and father's house. They moved in 1983, and we're supposed to settle either the 6th or the 8th. So she was letting me know what they're gonna do is on the movers. Anyway, I digress. Let me get on this thing again. It's hard to do with the sun in your eyes too. Okay, so I'm on-ish. And what I'm gonna try to do is hit something up against it to get it more securely onto the head of the bolt. And that's my issue. That was my issue last time. So I slipped off the freaking thing, and I need to be up tight up against it. Okay, just to break loose. Well, that's all I really want is to break it loose. So that angle's not doing very good either. It's worth it, you guys. It's worth it if you can manage the weather and the angles and stuff like that. If it was hot, I'd be pissed, but it's chilly. All right, so on there. If I can hammer it on a bit harder, because I'm rounding out the head of the freaking thing. That's the problem. Trying this again a little longer. Extension. Hammering to get it fully seated. Once I get it fully seated, then I gotta try to get the ratchet on. She moving? I think I got her to move a little bit, y'all. Yeah, baby, there we go. There we go. There we go. Got moving on the threads. All right, I broke her loose. Said, any way y'all can do it, do it. I'm gonna kill my light so I can get